So far, we've been talking about the atoms or elements of the periodic table. But usually in the world around us, those atoms and elements are actually combined or bonded to other atoms and elements to form larger compounds or molecules. The types of bonds that we're going to learn about next are ionic, covalent, and metallic. These are the different ways that atoms can combine to form different substances. Even the oxygen that we breathe, you know that oxygen is an element, or you remember it from the periodic table. Even the oxygen we breathe is actually combined with another oxygen molecule. So there are two that are combined together and they follow each other around everywhere they go, just like the oxygen molecule that you can see down below. These atoms and the molecules that they form are unimaginably small. If you were to take just one sugar cube full of, or volume of air, something about that big, of the air that's right in front of you right now, there would be about that many molecules bouncing around off of each other. That is 100 quintillion, about 100 million. That's how small these molecules are. They're moving, at least in the air that you're breathing right now, at about 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. So they are colliding with each other billions of times per second. There are billions of collisions of these molecules per second happening in front of you right now. But it's so small that you don't notice the energy that's created or dispersed, or the times where an oxygen atom or molecules hit so hard that the two oxygens actually separate for an instant until they rejoin with another oxygen atom. So all of these bonds require energy to be created, or sometimes release energy when they're created. And then alternatively, when the bonds are dispersed, sometimes they release energy and sometimes it requires energy to tear a bond apart. And those types of reactions, endothermic and exothermic, are also something we're going to be learning about soon.